Oh, I've washed off the outside of my pumpkin. I maybe should have done that before I cut it. I'm gonna put it face down on this pan. You can use a regular oven, but I like to use, and then you can see better, my little toaster oven. So I'm gonna set it to 375 degrees. I'm gonna use my
Remember that you
oven mitts
always
so I don't
need
burn
a
my
grown-up
hands.
to operate the oven for you. Don't touch an oven without the help of a grown-up. It can be very hot.
I'm going to add just a little bit of water on the bottom so that it gets nice and tender. Okay, and then I'm going to start that, and I'm going to bake it for probably 40 minutes. And you can test it to see if it's done, if it's soft. Okay? So I'll show you that later when it comes out of the oven. Hi friends, I'm back. It is about an hour and a half later, and check out the pumpkins. They are cooked. The water evaporated. It made the pumpkins a little bit more moist. Helps keep them from burning. And look at the difference, huh? So this was what it started out like. Can you see the difference in color? The skin got a lot darker and it's a little bit wrinkly. And I want to take the skin off and show you the meat of the pumpkin. And again, this was the top of this same pumpkin, so look at the difference. How the skin changed a little bit. So what I like to do is just use my hands and peel off the skin. You could have cut it off beforehand, but I think it's so much easier to remove it this way. So look at that. Here now is our cooked pumpkin meat. So the skin, let's check out the skin that was baked. Here it is. It's kind of flimsy. What do you notice? What do you see on this skin? I see some little dots still. It still looks the same as it did when it was on the pumpkin. It just got a little darker and it's not as hard. It's flimsy now. It's wiggly. Wiggly, wiggly. Okay, so this part you can eat. So, and again, let's compare. This is how it started. This was the color it started out as, and this is the color that it is after it's like this. I'm going to open up this canned pumpkin and show you the difference. So this is the canned pumpkin. This has much more of a orange color. I mean, it just says it's pumpkin. Only ingredient, and then this is what it looks like if you bake it yourself. So there you go. Pumpkins. Bye.